Good morning, students. We had completed the first lesson fully, I think so. If there is anything left, that I'll be telling you later. Second unit is force and motion. Second unit is force and motion. See the second part, motion. Motion means moving an object from place to place. By moving an object from place to place, is called as displacement. Moving an object from place to place is called as displacement. In 6th standard, we have studied so many types of motion: circular motion, oscillatory motion, isn't it? In this lesson, based upon the motion, we are going to see the distance and displacement. Distance and displacements. What is a distance? See the diagram which is given in your book. There is a house and a school. There is a house and a school, isn't it? In the house and school, two and three roads are moving. The first road mentioned as A. From a road, if you follow the road A, you need to travel 1.5 kilometer to reach a school. If the road is any work is going on in the road, take diversion. In cinema we are seeing take diversion, no, like that. If you see a take diversion, you have to go by the road B. To reach the school, it will take 2 kilometers. So what is the distance you are traveling from house to school? From using a road A, 1.5 kilometer, and using a road B, 2 kilometers. So that is, you are displaced from house to school. So the distance you walked or bicycle, 1.5 kilometer, or in using a road, 2 kilometer. The shortest distance between the school and the home is called as displacement. Okay, with the direction. So as shown in the above picture, we just came to know what is distance and displacement. And in the second picture, you can able to see the tree. You can able to see the tree, two trees. The two, path A and path B is given. Path A and path B is given. Path A and path B is given for the leaves to fall when there is no wind, when there is a wind. So the distance between the bottom of the tree and the heap of leaves, fallen leaves, is very short when there is no wind. This is a force, isn't it? Then the distance between the bottom of the tree and the fallen leaf is more when the force, wind, is there. So force makes the difference in distance. This is your second picture shows. Okay, then Uma and Priya are friends studying in the same school. After school hours, they go back to the nearby playground, plays, and return back to the home. One day, Uma told to she would reach the playground after visiting her grandmother's. The path in which they took reached the playground. As we see in the house and school, here there is in between a playground. In the diagram, you can able to see that house, playground, and school. So day by day, both the friends will be going to the school, and then after school they will be going to the playground, playing, and then returning back to the home. This is the distance they are covering, the long path. So the path, the straight line path, the shortest distance between the 2 points is called as your displacement. From this you can able to know, if you shift from a place to place, is called as distance, isn't it? Then distance and displacement definition. See the total length of the path. Total length of the path taken by the object to reach from one place to another place is called as distance. This you have to mark in your book if you having your book. Otherwise, I will be giving in a question and answer session. Displacement, the shortest distance. See the path A and B. From A to B, if you use your curved path, you may be cover 10 kilometer distance or 7 kilometer distance. But in a straight line, you are covering only 5 kilometer. That is your displacement. The shortest distance from the initial to the final position is called as your displacement. Both the distance and displacement possess the same measuring unit, meter, or if it is a long distance, it will be saying it as in kilometer. Are you able to understood what is distance and displacement? And distance, you may go by any direction. Displacement, there is a mentioned direction. So distance does not mention any direction, so it is a scalar unit. Displacement is having a direction, so it is a vector unit.